So I thought I'd take a video. These are my trophies from, I was second in the state in 1974 in Indiana in District 15 in the 100 class, but my trophies have gotten destroyed by storing them for such a long time, and it's actually a really sad day because I'm going to have to throw them away now. It's just, I don't know, this might be from Don Browning's track, Greenfield. And this one here is from Paragon. Used to do night racing. I got a, what'd I get there? That's a 1985 Paragon. Whoa. 1985, have no idea. I didn't even know I raced till 85. I thought I quit in 78. But this one, look how dirty. Look how messed up it is. All the dirt on it. Fun Club. Joe Collins. Keith Malott at the Fun Club. 1974. Goodbye. Okay, now this is one. Boy, that's a little one. Didn't do any good that race. Then this one, who knows? This one, oh, third annual team motocross in Fortville, Indiana. 1972. Some of you kids weren't even born then. I got a third in a 2-hour team motocross in Fortville. Okay, what we got here? Brandywine, first place. My first place trophy in Brandywine. I was riding an SC 500 Yamaha. Goodbye. Paragon, third in the senior class. This is when I was an old man. Now we got some more coming. This is my favorite trophy right here. I really shouldn't throw this one away. This is my first trophy. Third place at Fortville on a converted TS250 Suzuki. Lamastus was first, Rick Steins was second, Larry Huey's third. You know what? I'm not going to throw this one away. And then this one here is Paragon, fourth in the senior class. We got Deer Creek, whatever that is, senior men's. Last race, 11/16, 1975, third in the open class. This one is, don't know. We got a few more, and then I just want to have this for, I want to have this video, you know, for Facebook or whatever. Little Bighorn. Everybody, does anybody remember Little Bighorn? Steve Voldrip, fourth place in the 100 class in 74. Winchester, what a beautiful track that was. Haspin, Laurel. Okay, we got Paragon again in the senior class. I was riding a 78 Mako 250. Brandywine, second place, 74, 1974. Little Bighorn, 100 class. And this heavy nice. This is a nice trophy. Little Bighorn, second place. Okay, Nobby Hills. Gary Pontius used to announce out at Nobby Hills, 1983. This I don't know. This I don't know. Okay, only got a few more. Fifth place Terre Haute competition riders. That might have been on 125. In 1983 at Paragon, fourth place. Winchester, third in 1977. Have no idea what kind of bike I was riding. Probably 100. And then, okay, my first BMX race I ever raced in. I got a fourth in the beginner class in BMX. Huh. A kid can ride a bicycle too. Don't look at these trophies, they're just sad. They're so messed up. Charlie Bardock. Okay, got a few more. Okay, so this Fun Club, second place. It must have been on a TM100. Paragon 83, third in the senior. And then Knobby Hills, second place, 1984. Man, this must have been at the end of my hoopla, because 1984 at second place in Knobby Hill. That is the trophies of Larry Huey, motocross sensation when he was young. And I'm going to keep this one, my first trophy ever at Fortville.